Yo, what's up? This is fahmydangote, and today I'm in Freiburg here in Germany. I'm in Freiburg city here in Germany. Yeah, so let's go and explore Freiburg city. Let's go and explore Freiburg city here in Germany. So subscribe, follow me on my social media accounts, fahmydangote. Let's go.
Але дуже дякуємо, намет врятував.
Their main central train station here in Freiburg. See it. Well, let's go also to see their city center. As you can see right here. Wow, nice. Oh. We're moving forward. Freiburg. Oh. So, just wanted to show you this view right here. And I'm right here. Alright, let's go down. Gotta be careful. I think this reminds me when I was in Freiburg. It's almost look like Freiburg city, almost. Yeah. Well, I think here is more cooler. But I think here is more cool more than in Karlsruhe. I think that there is a lot of movement. Yeah. As you can see by yourself, there is a lot of movement, you know. Look at this place right here. Wow. Okay, let's move forward, man. Oh. Wow. Let me just go and film this Freiburg tour, and then we'll see. Yeah. As I told you already, Freiburg is a nice city, more than Karlsruhe, man. Yeah, you can see by yourself. Even the city center is very nice. Just look at yourself, man. Yeah. I don't know. For me, it's okay. I don't know for you. Leave comments down there. they do have also a big church in Freiburg, and this is very close to the main central train station. Right here you can see it. It's very long, but I don't think if someone is allowed to go inside there. Wow. Yeah, the city is nice. Yeah. Look at this. The city is fine. This building. Oh. Look at you also. The way they have designed it. Look at this house right here. I think at the prayer time, the bell rings. Because if it's a prayer time, the bells is always ringing. Oh. Where am I right now? I don't know. But going to make it. This is on the other side, I think. I think main central train station is on that side. I think main central train station is on that side. Yeah. So. Just want to go to Freiburg FC Stadium. Yeah. So I'm just going to take this tram right here, so I can go to the stadium. Yeah. So I just going. Driving with the bus now because I was in the tram and then I changed, and then right now I'm in the bus, so I'm heading to the stadium, Freiburg Stadium. Yeah, I'll be there in a few minutes. Right here. From where I put it off, then now I have to walk almost 15 minutes from the bus station to the stadium. Yeah, but I'm almost there. Yeah. Well, So I did it. This is Freiburg Football Stadium, Europa Park Stadion. That word stadion, it's stadium. So it's Europa Park Stadium. And of German word is Europa Park Stadion. Yeah. So I'm here. You can see me. The stadium is right there, baby. You know what I'm saying? So the stadium is right here. You can see it, Europa Park Stadion, Europa Park Stadium. I think you can just see it here, Freiburg Stadium. Here. Wow, it's very, very big. Oh. Ooh. Incredible. You see it. SC Freiburg. Wow. It's already evening time right now. Yeah. So I just wanted to come here and just film. So but anyway, after it doesn't matter if it's evening, morning or afternoon time. As long as I'm here, no problem. You can just see it. I'm right here. Wow. Ooh. It's already dark. So this is on the back side of the stadium. What's the view of the back side? Wow. Okay. So let's go back to Freiburg main central train station. Guys, I hope you enjoy the show. Bye. So I'm still here in Freiburg. I'm very, very tired. Yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoy Freiburg show. I hope you enjoy Freiburg video. I'm ending this video right here. I'm going to end this video right here in Freiburg. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you follow me from my social media account, fahmydangote. This is Freiburg show. Comment, subscribe, share. Yeah. See you in the next city. See you in the next show. And hala, we're outside. Thank you for your big support. Adios. Ciao. We're outside. This is Freiburg show. Bye. I love you.